Hi guys, it's Weedit, and I wanted to share with you a little tip that I'm using in my bullet journal. I needed to do a spread and I didn't have my art supplies handy. What I did have was nail polish, so I used it. Now, I started off with watercolor and I just wanted something very quick and easy to do. That page looks horrible on camera, but it's actually very pretty in person. March is going to be predominantly greens or aqua colored, not the same, but so this is my March page. I haven't put the title on, but I discovered that nail polish works really, really well. I didn't want to do a whole page of nail polish, but you can see here it's actually gorgeous, and it works as a barrier. So if I write something on it, it won't bleed through to the other side. Now, I've got a ton of nail polish. The exchange students tended to buy a lot of nail polish and then leave it here, and so I'm using it like paint, I guess. I use nail polish for a lot of things, but I really like that I'm getting some great colors and that it does act as a barrier. The only thing is, if you put it on this side, you're going to want to put it on the other side because you can see that there's something dark on the other side. So that's fine for me. I don't have any problem doing that, but this is just a quick way. I love color. I'm inspired by color, so that's what I'm doing with my bullet journal. I'm keeping it colorful but quick and easy, really, really quick and easy. So I hope that gives somebody some great ideas, and thank you so much.